All right, hi everybody. I'm Brenda. I'm going to be discussing staffing for our program. So for our intervention, we're going to need a project manager to oversee our community project. They'll basically be in charge of budget, funding, and marketing. We're also going to need a leading registered dietitian. So they'll be needed to help counsel the participants, to collect information, and guide the interns on the activities and any questions or concerns that arise during the program. And we're also going to need about 3 dietetic interns. So this will come out to about 1 intern per activity. So basically, one will help with education classes, one will help with the grocery store tour, and one will help with the cooking demonstration. Volunteers can also be used as needed for classes, demonstrations, or just handouts and things like that.
Okay, for our timeline, our program is going to be about 6 months long. For the first month, we're going to focus on program development. So during this time, we're going to be doing a pre-assessment on our target population, and we're also going to be advertising our program. During months 2 through 5, that's really going to be our intervention. So this is kind of like a breakdown of what we'll be doing every month for the 2 to 5 month time period. So an example is for the first week we'll do the CVD class, the second week we'll do the fiber class, the third week we'll do the grocery store tour, and the fourth week we'll do the cooking class. And this is just going to repeat, we're going to repeat this idea for about 2 to 5 months. For the 6th month, this is going to be our post-assessment of our program. We're going to be evaluating to make sure, we got a lot of the main goals and objectives done, and Savannah will be talking a little bit more about that.
So for funding and budget, we took into account the salaries for our project manager and our registered dietitian. We also took into account the materials and equipment that we would be using for throughout the program, as well as the office space rental. So with all that in mind, our projected budget is around $58,856. If we had more time, because grants can take up to 2 years to get approved, potential grant we could apply for is the Chronic Disease Prevention and Control Program from the CDC. Some other potential sources of funding include sponsors, fundraisers, and donations. So sponsorships could be from schools, grocery stores, and gyms. Fundraising could be done before the program begins to help raise funds, and donation bins could be set up at the local university campus and stores.